struggling with hair loss? This one natural remedy could transform your hair in just 30 days. No chemicals, no expensive treatments. Are you struggling with hair loss and looking for a natural solution that actually works? This powerful home remedy could be the answer. And it's as simple as using onion juice twice a week. This isn't just any onion remedy. It's supercharged to target multiple causes of hair loss, whether it's due to autoimmune issues, nutrient deficiencies, or scalp infections like yeast or fungal overgrowth. Now I know what you're thinking. Will my hair smell like onions? Don't worry. You'll wash your hair twice after applying, and there won't be any lingering smell. Why onion juice works. Onions are packed with sulfur, a key building block for keratin, the protein that makes up your hair. Even more powerful is a compound called quercetin, a natural antioxidant with amazing benefits for your scalp. It helps fight autoimmune-related hair loss like alopecia areata. It reduces inflammation, it promotes hair follicle growth, and it helps protect against dandruff, fungus, and more. How to use it. 1. Chop 1 organic red onion. It has the highest quercetin content. 2. Blend it into a pulp, then strain using a cheesecloth to get the juice. 3. Wet your hair, then massage the juice into your scalp for 2 to 3 minutes. Leave it on for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Use a shower cap if needed. 5. Rinse thoroughly and shampoo twice. Use this twice a week for 4 to 6 weeks, and you may start seeing results by week 3 or 4. Want to supercharge it? Add 5 drops of rosemary essential oil. A 2015 clinical study found rosemary oil was just as effective as leading alopecia medication. It boosts blood flow, reduces inflammation, and nourishes hair follicles. For even better results, ferment the onion juice. Add 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon sea salt, and 1/2 teaspoon raw honey to your onion juice. Let it ferment in a mason jar covered with cheesecloth for 72 hours. This enhances quercetin and boosts scalp-friendly nutrients. Bonus hair tips. Take vitamin D3, 10,000 to 20,000 international units per day, or get regular sun exposure. Eat nutrient-rich foods that support hair growth are especially biotin, zinc, omega-3s, and iron. This natural remedy isn't just about covering up symptoms. It addresses the root cause of hair loss. Try it consistently, and you may be surprised by the results. If you found this remedy helpful, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss powerful natural solutions like this. And let me know in the comments, what kind of hair issue are you facing? I'll make the next video just for that.